In this video I'm gonna check out if it is possible to install a GCam on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. So in order to check that, we're gonna go to the Play Store and I'm gonna search for an app that is called GCamator. And this is the app that we can use in order to check if we have a dedicated GCam version for our smartphone, as long as of course it is compatible in the first place. So we're gonna open the GCamator app. We don't have to agree to receive notifications. And unfortunately, the dedicated version for Xiaomi 17T Pro is not available yet. I'm gonna tap to request the GCam for this model, so that maybe if you're watching this video in the future and if you're trying it out by yourself, maybe it is going to be available at that point. In the meantime, what we can do is we can try to get the GCam for a similar smartphone. Of course, this means that we might see some issues with the GCam on our Xiaomi 17T Pro, simply because it was not made for this smartphone specifically. So it might be crashing sometimes, maybe some of the features might not work, or maybe we won't have access to all of the features that we are supposed to have. Still, I'm just gonna get an example GCam version for another Xiaomi smartphone. I'm gonna try to find the newest GCam version, which we have on the left side after revealing. So here we have 9.3, 9.6, there we go. And let's see if I can find something newer. 9.2, I'm pretty sure there should be faster, I mean the newer one. There we go, there is 9.7, so far this is the newest one. And I think I'm just gonna download that one. I'm just gonna check a couple of more just to see if I can find something. There is one as well, 8.1, so no. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go for that 9.7 version, which is this one over here or this one over here. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna start downloading straight away. And we will be redirected to this website of GCamator. We can see for which model it was created. So in this case it is for Poco X8 Pro. I actually used the same one on Xiaomi 17T and it worked fine after just testing for a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna check if that is the same case over here on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. Of course, if you try to install this app by using your browser, you will be informed that you have to allow the browser to install apps from unknown sources, because, well, every time you try to do that, if you try to install an app that is not from Play Store, then obviously it is treated as dangerous. In my case, I already did that in the past, so I'm just gonna install the app. And then we're gonna see if everything works in here. Of course, you need to grant all the necessary permissions to be able to use the app. I actually missed the storage permission. I need to fix that. Sorry. I'm gonna go to photos and videos. Let's allow all. Alright. And the rest is not that relevant. So we're gonna go back and let's reopen the GCam. There we go. Alright, so let's give it a try. Let's see if everything works. So we have the photo mode. Let's see if we can take a photo, and yes, we can. Let's switch to the front camera. Let's try to zoom in, and as you can see, it works just fine. Here we have the portrait mode, which seems to be working as well. We have the night side, the panorama, and photosphere, all of which seems to be working so far. We're gonna check out these additional settings in here. We have focus, shutter speed, and ISO, which we should be able to use. Although I'm not sure if it actually works correctly. This is something that definitely needs to be tested. And let's check out the settings over here. So we have flash, HDR, face retouching, timer and ratio, and lens selection. We're gonna also go to the video mode, of course, to see if we can record a video, and straight away using the full HD resolution. It seems that we can record a video. Let's switch to the front camera. Then in here it seems to be working just fine as well. Here we have no options available. Unfortunately, there is no 8K resolution, even though it says resolution 8K over here. It seems to be like a visual glitch or something, because in reality here we have full HD or 4K resolutions. So definitely less options compared to the standard camera, but once again, this is the GCam made for Poco X8 Pro, so this is the reason probably why we cannot actually use that. If the GCam dedicated GCam versions made for 17T Pro, then I assume the higher resolution and more options are going to be available. There is also the slow motion. Unfortunately, no time-lapse mode or anything like that, but still. You should be able to use this app. I guess the app works just fine as it is. Of course, you still might find some of the issues with this GCam version. Maybe it is going to crash at some point, but so far, after using it for that couple of minutes, it seems to be completely fine. So you can give it a try if you wanted to. Or if not, you can just wait for the dedicated version for Xiaomi 17T Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.